Christmas holidays for Jack and his first holiday ever for Gecko.
We are Al and Joe. Together we are cheats out and about, just your average working middle-aged couple. We invite you to join us as we explore remote and sometimes not so remote areas of Australia.
Well, g'day guys, just managed to get away for a couple of days between Christmas and New Year, dragged the dogs with us, found this excellent lake just north of Wheatbelt sort of, free camping, awesome place, dogs love it. Blows up.
As our first day camping draws to a close, we cook up some chops, tomatoes, potatoes and onion for dinner. Jack was impatiently waiting for us to have our coffee so that he could begin his day of fun. The other campers were far enough away that our dogs could have an absolute ball without needing to be on a lead. Although this holiday was all about the dogs, we did manage to find things to amuse us as well. A short drive away was this beautiful old bridge, and there were a few old buildings as well. Harvest is still in full swing. It's been a record-breaking year this year. There's plenty of bird life both at the campsite and at the surrounding lakes. Another beautiful day draws to a close, and tonight's dinner is pork with sage butter and capsicum.
Are so damn clever, the things we talk about when we get together. Some like to dance, some like to sing, some spend the whole day laughing the clouds away.
We thought while we had the chance we'd show you around our new camper trailer. We picked up a couple of weeks ago. First outing, awnings and everything were a little bit awkward. We learning how to put them up and got to make a few modifications, but this is it. This is the Tvan. So far, great little unit. Off-road. As you can see, it comes with a pull-out kitchen. Great gas stove. We just need some extra pantry space, which we'll organise on the front there in time to come. Made up a light, so we've got a decent light over the kitchen. We've got plenty of water tanks. We've got 110 litres of water on at the moment, and as you can see, it's got a great annex. On the other side, you might have noticed there was a shade sail that goes on this side as well if you want it. If you just want to be quick, it's got the hard floor, so you can camp on uneven ground, wet, whatever. Sorry about the view. Terrible, isn't it? Got a great area here. Dogs sleep in at night. We've got the bed, lights, everything, storage underneath. Got some hatches, which Jack, the black dog, likes to stick his head out in the morning and see the world. Been reasonably windy, and it's all been really great so far. It looks like it's fairly confined up the end, but it's actually, I've only hit my head once in 3 nights, so it's not too bad once you climb in and out. Doors on both sides. Dog weaseling up to get his breakfast here. Obviously reckons he's hungry. We go around the back. We've got as you saw from the inside, we can roll up the curtain to let the air in. And then we've got the electrics on this side, full storage up the front. And there's the shade sail which can go on both sides, which gives us shade wherever we are if we haven't got any.
And that's the new Tvan. Hopefully we'll see more of it in the future. Next morning we managed to find other things to amuse ourselves, like a little bit of metal detecting. We found a couple of old coins. More playing for the dogs.
Part of me wants to stay forever. Part of me is afraid to get hurt. Love always made a mess of me. Broken heart got the best of me. But with you, I am high. I'm alive, and it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise. Ooh, and it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise. Ooh, and it feels like
But all good holidays must come to an end. Puppies get tired and we have to head home. We hope you've enjoyed this clip and can join us again next time we can get out and about.